YouTube cards are interactive panels that slide in and out when a video is playing. This encouraging further interaction by the viewer. We can have up to 5 YouTube time cards. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up your YouTube time cards. To set that, you need to open up a video. The next thing I'll hit to edit video. From here I can go to add a card, and then you see that there is a list of YouTube cards, so you can promote a video or a playlist video. You can promote a channel like another person's channel. Let us go ahead and go to create video or playlist. Whenever you open that, you are going to find a series of your video playlist that if you have one, because if you don't have video playlist you can't access video playlist. So here the first here is uploads. Uploads are your uploads, so you can choose any upload so far to add to your video time card. So in this video I will add this Vegas Pro 16 render settings to the French version. So I'll just hit on this Vegas Pro 16 render settings, and then I go to create time cards. So you can now find out that here Vegas Pro 16 best rendering settings is at 10 seconds. So it starts, the pop-up will start at 10 seconds. It's going to pop up here, somewhere here at the top, when 10 seconds will be shifted. So if I go backward and I play this video, I wait for 10 seconds to play so that I see how it works. So that is the pop-up you are seeing up here. That is what I just included. So you can hit on this pop-up whenever a video is playing on YouTube to directly move to watch the video. So that is by adding a video on YouTube card. Secondly, you can also click on add and instead promote a playlist. Here you instead go to playlist and then you choose any playlist if you have any playlist so far. Like, so I have my online tutorials playlist here. I just hit on it. I go to create card, or you can customize a teaser text or add a custom message. For example, here we talk of special thanks to check out my channel. I can put there any message, please like and share and subscribe as it is written down, or you customize yourself. Please share, please subscribe. So that is what, and then I hit on OK. So at 12 seconds the pop-up is going to appear. To increase or reduce the duration or the starting time, I just click and maintain that drag maybe to 20. I set it at 21. That is it. So let me go back and play. So you can find out the suggested my online tutorials. That is the second one that appears at 21st minute. You can create a poll question and then it gives 2 suggestions. For example, I would like to ask you, how many YouTube cards do we have? How many YouTube cards can we add? Here I'll put first choice 2, then second choice I'll put 3, and then I can add another choice. Then I put the 5. So this is like the question using a pull YouTube card. After doing your settings, you hit create card. Okay, I just created a YouTube pull card. So how many YouTube cards are going can we have? So if I click here directly, my online tutorials is okay. How many YouTube cards can we add? 2, 4 and 5. So this is how it's going to pop up in the video. And now the last thing is to promote another channel or to add links to other websites, links of websites. So I can't add that. So my level is not yet up to that to include this link YouTube card. So I have to attain a certain number of likes and views and subscribers. So promoting another channel is like copy and paste. You copy and paste the URL or the user channel name here. So let me go and search for a YouTube channel name. Okay, I would like copy this my friend's YouTube link to promote his channel. So after copying the link of a channel we want to promote, you paste it here. Go to paste, and then you can say please like, share and subscribe also, like a custom message you want to attach to that channel. Check out Sammy's channel, and then you go to create card. As you can see, after pasting the link, the name of the whole channel is now visible. Yes, Sammy Fopa. So it's going to pop up at 59 seconds. So you can't, maybe after, so during recording your video, you can announce other channels or announce other videos that could help, like explain what you are talking on that particular video by asking viewers to click on the YouTube time card, and then during the video after uploading you pop up that YouTube card at that same minute you were introducing that YouTube card for better explanation. So that was that on YouTube cards. So we are going to play the video from start till the point where we created this YouTube card so that you can best see what we are talking about. Let me reduce this one a bit. So that is the video playing. The first YouTube card is the first YouTube card is Vegas Pro Best Friendly Settings for YouTube. That is the English version with the message appearing during my recording. The second one is my online tutorials. I mean, it regroups. It is a YouTube video playlist. And the third one calls on how many YouTube cards can we add. It is a question, a pull YouTube card, which calls for viewers to participate in the multiple choice question. Check out Sammy's channel. That is the pop-up message I just wrote. Check out Sammy's Fopa's channel. It's like promoting another person's channel. So that was that for creating YouTube cards. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't leave without subscribing, without liking the video, without commenting, and without sharing. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.